Now, I want to turn on the compressor by turning the thermostat. As you can see up there, I'm going to turn it on and see if the compressor runs. No. From one problem to another. I turn on the thermostat, and the compressor is not turning on. So now we're going to test the thermostat to see if that's broken. So how I'm going to do that is test the voltage across the thermostat. If it shows 0, that means that the thermostat is working. And if it shows 120, that means that the thermostat is not. So right now, you guys cannot see it, but it's showing me 120 volts across the thermostat. So that means that the thermostat is bad. I want to change that out too. So let's go ahead with that. Before I do that, I'm going to turn off the cooler again. Take the 2 wires out. And now another way you can test if the thermostat's working or not is while it's on, you can ohm it out. If there is continuity between it while it's on, that means that it's not working. Sorry, if there is no continuity while it's on, that means it is not working. So first thing we do is look for that sound here. So I'm going to go between the 2 terminals of the thermostat, and there's no continuity. And obviously the thermostat is on. So no continuity while the thermostat is on, that means that the thermostat is bad. So we're going to change that now, out now. Very easy job. Just 2 screws. And here's the new one. Hello. I'll be right back. I forgot to bring the faceplate of it. Guys, sorry. Back now. This is what I forgot to bring with me. Faceplate. So now we can go ahead. Put this bad boy on. You always want to make sure you put on the faceplate the right way. So you see where the point is? You want to hear where it clicks? So it clicks this way, that means this is in the off position. So when I do this, when I put it on this, mount the thermostat like this, I want the off to be on the top. That's all on. Mounted firmly on there. Now I can put the knob back on. Perfect. And now just for shits and giggles, we can just test the new one out. Just for you guys to see that when it's on the off position, there should be no continuity between the thermostat terminals. But when it's on, there should be continuity. Hear that beeping sound? So there is continuity while it's on, and when it's off, it turns off. Perfect. And now we can go ahead and put the terminals back on. As you can see, right there, everything is on now. And now we have to mount the sensor. Now the sensor should always go back to its original place where the previous sensor was. So that's going to go right there, right where the old one was. And you'll push firmly exactly so it's flush and doesn't hit anything. And now we can put the cover back on. Make sure all the morettes are on firmly. Perfect. And now the screws back on. This is one rusty cover. Okay, cover is now on, and now we can plug the cooler back in. Evaporator is on, compressor is off, because the thermostat is off. So once I turn the thermostat on, the compressor should start. There you go. Everything's working now. Now before I leave, I'm going to clean the condenser too. That's where it's very dirty. Gonna put this cover back on and then clean the condenser, guys.